First one is 1,4. Second,
Hi students, the above good evening all of you. Very good evening. We'll just wait for 5 minutes, then we'll start, okay? Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice properly? Am I audible? Okay. Yes, G and so 21266. Okay. Yes, Mansi Kishan. Good evening. Yeah. I'll just share with the screen with you. We were last class, we just, yeah, that fraction, right? Fraction calculation. Correct. Before that, we will, good evening, Sanya. Good evening. We will just revise our formulas which we learned yesterday. There are 4 formulas. One is for the complementary event, P of A dash. A is the event, then A dash is called as the complementary event. A raised to C also can be written. Okay, that is also right. And some of the book, it can be written A bar. Both 3 notations are right. Okay. P of A dash equal to 1 minus P of A. That is called as a complementary event. And then if the addition theorem for the probability, that is probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, here intersection is a gap. Okay. Intersection B. Now the conditional probability, the probability of B, this is reading B divided by A. Normally write division. Okay, divided by, but we never read as divided by. What we will read? We will read as B given A. Probability of B given A. That means probability of B under the condition that the event A has taken place. Okay. For that, the answer is, the formula it is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. Be careful while doing it, because probability of B given A equal to, or probability of A given B, these two only slight difference. Numerator part, both it is same, probability of A intersection B. Even probability of A given B also probability of A intersection B, both the numerator is the same. Only denominator, just remember like this way. Suppose you want to find probability of B given A, automatically A will come down probability, and for A given B, which will come down B. Therefore, that is the difference actually. But these are the 4 formulas, and we are going to do some certain sums. First sum we already discussed, that is with decimal point. Then it is for you, it is easy because you have the calculator and you are going to do it. And now here there is the fraction question, is in fraction, which we are doing it. Yeah, you will get enough practice because I included more questions are with a fraction only. Okay, now can we start now? All are ready? Yes. Okay, now we'll read the question once again and we'll go through it. Okay. The question is like this way. First, see that what is given. Okay, what is given in the question? It is given that probability of A nahi hai, probability of A dash hai, probability of B, probability of A union B. 3 information is given, correct? Probability of A dash. Probability of A dash means automatically it should come to your mind, because probability of the complementary event is given, then you can find what is probability of A. Okay, that means from there it is going to start actually. Now see, what you want to find, that which I'm going to write first. Probability of A intersection B you want to find. Therefore, it can be used this formula, right? Second formula for us. Here, the question mark is probability of A intersection B. You are going to find this value. Now check it. These all values are there or not. It is given or not. Probability of B is given. Correct? Probability of A union B is given. But what is missing? Probability of A is missing. But can you find probability of A? Then think about like that way. Yes, we can find. Which formula we can use it? For the complementary. This one, unit formula number 1. Probability of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Okay. From there, now see, here there are two things actually. Please listen here. Even if you want more easy to think like this, we see here. See, this same formula, you can write like this way also. See here, P of A dash is starting here, P of A is here, right? Suppose P of A, that means if you are going to take P of A this side, automatically what happened? 1 minus P of A dash. This is also the formula. Okay. Okay, that is actually this two formula you can remember easily. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash. Suppose in the question you want to find what is P of A dash, use this formula. If you want to find P of A, use this formula. Anyone, it is correct. Or otherwise, yesterday I showed you, I put the values and finding. You are taking 2 by 3 to this side, 1 to this side, like that. Therefore, is any confusion it is there? Learn these two formulas together. That means these two. Now, which one will take now here? Second one. Correct? Or second one. Therefore, I'm taking here first one. Now see, here steps I will tell you. 1 second. I'll tell you the steps. See, this is your first question. This is your first question. Therefore, first question, there are two steps. Step 1. What is the step 1? What do you want to find? P, not F. Find P of A. Therefore, that is your step 1, P of A. P of A, how do you find? Use this formula. P of A equal to 1 minus P of A dash. Second step, which formula we will use it? This formula, right? Substitute in that formula, you can find what is P of A intersection B. There were two steps we are going to finish. Clear? Step number 1, P of A. Step number 2, P of A intersection B. Okay. Now, somewhere write it this formula together for all of you in a notebook. Write these two formulas together. Write it. Same formula only. P of A dash equal to 1 minus P of A. If you take it, if you interchange that, automatically P of A come to this side. P of A equal to 1 minus P of A dash. Now, can we do step number 1? Okay. Yes. What is your step number 1? Okay, fine. I'll write it because normally class I'll teach you like steps to remember. Therefore, if you want, you can write step number 1. What is the step number 1? You are finding P of A, that is 1 minus P of A dash. Substitute the value, that is 1 minus. What is P of A dash is given the question? 2 upon 3. Yes. 2 upon 3. Okay. Now this is here. How do you solve this? That is 1 minus 2 upon 3. Yesterday I showed you. What you are going to do is, yes, we are going to see here. This is, you can write 1 upon 1 minus 2 upon 3. Now it is both the fraction, right? 1 is a whole number. You can write any number divided by 1 is a fraction form. 1 divided by 1 minus 2 upon 3. So what I told you, easy method. First, write this division. What will come denominator mein? Denominator, this two denominator multiply. 1 into 3. You multiplied? Okay. Now you cross multiply it. What to cross multiply? This 1 into 3 here, cross multiply. That means 1 into 3. Suppose here it is minus. Put it minus. Plus it to plus. Minus it to minus. And cross multiply these two. That is 1 into 2. Therefore, you never make mistake if you're going to do like this way. LCM and all, it is, that is also easy. But if you are not clear about LCM part, better to do this way. Okay. That is 3 minus 2 divided by 3. 3 minus 2, 1 upon 3. Therefore, your answer is 1 upon 3. Yes. See, Now by using the calculator, that is because yours is not a scientific calculator, you never get in fraction form, only decimal form. But you cannot do it like that way because remaining this part, that means like remaining values are in fraction. If everything you want to change it that decimal, and also it is not a proper decimal, it comes, it is going to be issue for you. Okay, before this is finished, step number 1 finished, probability of A equal to 1/3. Now we are going to use the formula, step number 2. What is step number 2? Step 2, okay, which use formula, use the formula, which one? Otherwise, by the formula, that is a better option. Okay, right, like that. By the formula. What is the formula? Probability of A union. Union means U. U equal to probability. This is addition theorem for probability. Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, here all values are there. Now we are going to substitute what is probability of A union B, 5/12, right? 5/12, and next is 1/4. Okay, here 5, I'm substituting the values. 5/12 equal to 1/3 probability of A plus 1/ probability of B. What is probability of B? 1/4. 1/4 minus probability of A intersection B. Now we'll go step by step. What we can solve. See here, what you want to find? You are going to find what is the value of this, right? Okay. Now leave it that part. First, these two addition will do. Okay. If I'm going to do this two addition, therefore this part is going to be the same. 5/12 I'm writing here. I'm not touched that value, equal to. Now see, these two, this which I put it in the box, okay, we are going to solve first. Again fraction, 1/3 and 1/4. You are doing the addition. So what I told you, put one division first. You're doing that calculation. What you're going to do, denominator. What is the denominator? 3 into 4 multiplied. Denominator dono multiply karo. Then see here, cross multiply, right? 1 into 4 multiply, that is I have written 1 into 4 minus, then what do you multiply? Yes, 3 into 1, otherwise 1 into 3. That is minus, here minus probability of A intersection B. This is the next step. Minus here plus, no? Plus, correct. Okay, yeah. Then this 5/12 as it is equal to 1 into 4, that is 4 plus 3 divided by 12. 3 into 4, 12 minus probability of A intersection B. Okay, now next step. You can skip some steps, but those who are not clear about the fraction, please write all the steps. Okay, 7/12 minus probability of A intersection B. We reach up to here now. Have you done? Plus. Correct. Yeah. Yes. Now the last part where we are going to do, see here. Yes. Got the answer? Okay, Sakshi, wait. Now see here, what you are finding? You are finding this part, right? P of A intersection B. Just do one thing. Take this one, this side, left hand side, and here this one to this side. Correct? Now how it is going to be, I'll write here. Therefore, it is more easy for you. I have taken P of A intersection B to the other side, and 7/12 is already there, because here minus P of A intersection B taken to this side is going to be plus, right? Now plus 5/12 have taken to this side, it is going to be minus 5/12. Is it clear? because minus P of A intersection B, we are taken to the other side, become plus, and 5 upon 12 is already plus, is taken to this side, that is going to be minus. Now check it here. This is your answer. What I told you, see here, both denominators are the same, right? If it is same, it is easy. What to do? You write a common denominator as 12. Then up no crow 7 minus 5. Therefore, that is equal to 2 upon 12. Therefore, answer is 1 upon 6. Therefore, complete it, go by step and complete it. Yes, completed. Can you go to the next question? Therefore, first part is finished. Probability of A intersection B you have found, that is 1 upon 6. Okay, done. Now what you want to find? Probability of A given B. Second question. Okay, what is the thing? Second question we are going to do. Second question, what is probability of A given B? This is easy for you now. What is probability of A given B by formula? That is probability of A given B equal to, what is the formula? Probability of A intersection B. This is common for both, right? Divided by A given BA. Therefore, what happened here? That is probability of B will come. Okay. Now just substitute it. What is probability of A given B? 1 upon 6 divided by, okay. Now probability of B, that is 1 upon 4. Yes, Anshu, correct answer, but I'll just teach you that part for you. See here. Please write up to here, then I'll tell you how to solve it. Okay, now see in calculation for two fraction divided by another fraction. That means for example, A divided by B whole divided, A divided B, I'll write 1 second. See here, A divided by B whole divided by, what is that? C divided by D. See, this is both are fraction. Okay, so how to solve it? This A divided by B whole divided by C divided by D. That division you can change to multiplication. Only the thing you want to take it, this denominator fraction as the reciprocal. That means see how I'm going to write to multiplication. A upon B write as it is, and here multiplication come. That means division change to multiplication. And this part C upon D, while you're taking it up, automatically D will come up and C will come down. Understood? That means A upon B as it is, division change to multiplication. Then what the change is going to come for the calculation? Denominator part fraction. You will take it up. That means you will take D up and C down. Therefore, then now you solve it. Multiplication means you can cancel and all. The same way here, this one, see, this is one fraction and this is another fraction, right? Now I'm going to change it this. So how I'm going to change it? See, 1 upon 6, I'm going to write, and here this is going to be multiplication. Okay. Now again, denominator fraction, I'm writing it 4 upon 5. That means 4 will come up and 1 will come down. How it is? C gone up and C, D gone up and C came down. Same way. Now cancel it. What is the answer? 1, 1 cancel. 4 upon 6 you can write. Cancel with 2. 2 upon 3 is your answer. Many of them already got it, but I just explained. Okay, how to get it. Good, good, very good. Yes. 2 upon 4. Adi, if you're writing 4 upon 6 also, right answer. But the thing is that whenever you are writing a fraction, you want to make it a simplest form. That means further you can't divide with a common factor. That is the meaning. Yes, YouTube also are there. Mansi, Christian, everyone. It's correct answer. Yes, Pratham. Clear? Yes. Therefore, we will discuss the next question now. Okay. Therefore, I went through very slowly for you. Fraction. Okay. Now we'll do more questions and it is going to be clear for you. Don't worry. This is a straight away question. What is given? Given that P of A, P of A, P of B, P of acha, this is same number is coming, right? Oh. But one question is the same only number. If I'll change it and give you now 1/6, I will just see P of A intersection B, just cancel and write 1/8 likho. Then you will get another number. Okay. Write 1/8, all of you. Otherwise, no, previous question we did, no, P of A given B, same answer will come. Okay, please write it. P of A intersection B as 1/8. Okay. Now, what is the first question? This is the direct only one step. First, P of we have to write given that, right? What is given in the question? Okay, yeah. Please write. Given that P of A equal to 1/3, P of B equal to 1/4, okay, P of A intersection B equal to 1/8. Okay, now what you're finding? First one, P of A intersection B. Sorry, P of A given B. Yes, P of A given B. So what's the formula? Formula it is P of A intersection B divided by what will come here? P of B. I think all are already done. Okay. P of A intersection B 1/8 divided by what will come? P of B 1/4. The same rule we are going to write 1/8 multiplication, division change to multiplication. 4 goes up and 1 comes down. That means 4 divided by 8. 4 divided by 8 is also a fraction, but make it a simpler fraction. You can cancel common, right? That is 1/2. 4 se divide karo, numerator and denominator, then your answer is there. Yes, 1/2. Very good. Those who are in the YouTube, I'm not getting the answers now. I think quite difficult to type it also for you, right? Yes, 1/2. Now second part, second will do. Okay, that's the direct one. Question 2. Probability of B given A. Okay, so what will come? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. Correct? As per the formula. Therefore, 1/8 divided by what is the probability of 1/3? So this will change to 1/8 into what will come open? 1/3 change to 3/1. Okay, this is 3/8. 3/8, write it as it is because there is no common term, right? Suppose 4 and 8 common factor is 4, but 3 and 8 there is no common factor. You can't divide both the numerator and denominator with the same factor. Therefore, write it as 3/8. as your answer. Yes. Change to decimal is okay, good. But because everything answer is in question is also in decimal, fraction. Therefore, this one is also going to be in fraction, right? It's okay. 3 upon 8, correct. Okay. Done. Okay. Next question. Fine. We'll do. This is just for you practicing, okay? What is given? Yeah. What is the difference between these two constants? Tell me. See, last example, P of A was there, P of B was there, P of A intersection B, but here P of A union B. Okay, that means you want to find what is P of two steps, because first step one, find what is P of A intersection B. Correct? Using which formula? Formula number 2. Then find step 2, probability of A given B. Then next question, also step 2, probability of A in the B in the B given A. Okay, now we'll start. Okay, that is here given that probability of A equal to 1 by 2, probability of B equal to 1 by 3, and probability of A union B equal to 1 upon 6. Okay. Now we are going to use the formula. Which formula? By formula number 2. This is for your understanding, and we are writing formula number 2. Okay, there is no numbering. We just put it the number like that way. Okay, that is from addition theorem. The formula for the addition theorem. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now substitute here. Probability of A union B. What is the answer? 1 upon 6 equal to. Probability of A 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus probability of A intersection B. Now, which step we are going to do? Here, we are going to do this step, right? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 add. Okay. That is here. 1 upon 6 we are writing as it is. Now, these two. Again, fraction, addition. Therefore, what you are going to do? Denominator part multiply 2 into 3. Then cross multiply 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1. Okay, this part is here finished. Minus P of A intersection B. Therefore, this is 1 upon 6 equal to. Here, what will come? 3 plus 2 divided by 2 into 3, that is 6. And minus P of A intersection B, probability of. Now we are coming to the last step, like here 1 upon 6 equal to 5 upon 6 minus this part. I'll write it in red, P of A intersection B. Okay. Now what you are going to do? Next step, minus this one, take to this side, and plus 1 upon 6 to this side. So what is going to be here? Probability of A intersection B equal to, after equal to 5 by 6 is already there, plus 1 by 6 taken to this side, that is minus 1 upon 6. Therefore, this one common denominator, same denominator 6, Therefore, upper part 5 minus 1. The answer is 4 upon 6. Therefore, again we are cancelling with a 2 in both the sides. Both, sorry, not both the sides, both numerator and denominator. That is 2 upon 3 is your answer. Yes, right, Mansi. It's right answer. Yes, many of them got it the answer. Now got it, know how to do the fraction calculation. Plus and minus. Division also we learned. Multiplication is very easy. You can cancel the values, right? Okay. Therefore, step number 1 finish. We got it. Probability of A intersection B equal to 2 upon 3. Now you can use direct formulas for your question. Please write. Those who are not written the steps, please write. Then I'll change the screen. Yes, 2 by 3. Okay, fine. Next part for second step. That means your question. What is your question? Both the questions we need to find what is probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B, we got it as 2 upon 3, right? Now we are going to find question number 1. What is that? Probability of A given B. That is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Therefore, what is your answer? Probability of A intersection B is 2 upon 3 divided by what is probability of B? Probability of B is 1 upon 3, right? Yeah. It is 1 upon 3. Now change to multiplication. That means 2 upon 3. Here multiplication comes. Therefore, automatically 1 upon 3 denominator fraction goes up like 3 upon 1. 3 you can cancel it. Therefore, what is going to come here? 2 upon 1. That is answer is 2. By 6 upon 1. Next part, intersection B divided by probability of A. Correct? Probability of B given A equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. That is 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. Right? 1 upon 4 or 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Yeah, 1 upon 2. Sorry, 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. That is 2 upon 3 into change to 2 up by 1. That is 4 upon 3. It's finished. Okay. Now the thing is that these two questions you will do it as a homework, means like practice questions. Question number 5 and 6, take a screenshot. All of it. One is with decimal, one is with fraction. Please take a screenshot. Then now this last part, which I already done in the class, and for the C division, few C students were there with me that time, and G division is we are not done. Therefore, please listen carefully. It is a easy part: random variable and probability distribution. Okay, just two formulas you need to learn. Okay, that formulas which I'll tell you first, then we'll go. Now, please listen. This is entirely different from the last, because we have done, please listen, probability chapter, the probability, first part, probability, the questions we discussed, more than 40-50 questions we discussed, 40 questions we discussed with different questions, correct? Find the probability of the word problems, word sums we have done. Second part, with this formula, I have done questions for you. Okay, that is next part. Now, last part is random variable. Now, see, what is the meaning of that? Random experiment we learned, right? The same with the random variable means here, if you take X values, I'm just teaching you the formula, then we are going to do it. Okay, X values, different X values like X1, X2, etc., Xn. There are many X values are there. According to X1, the probability of X1 is representing probability of X1, probability of X2, etc., probability of Xn. Okay, now here we are going to find the, what is it? So there is some the net connection issue. Just wait, just hold. Yeah, please say here there are two questions can come for you. One is, what is the expected value of X? Okay, that is written by E of X. This is same as mean or average. Okay, this is same as mean, or it is called as your average. Okay. And second part is that what is a variance? Here in this case we are learning there are values of X values are there, different values, and also different probability function for that X, X2, X1, X2, X3, etc. Then how to find the expected value of X, or otherwise the mean value of X or the average of X? Here the formula which you need to learn, like this expected value of X, the formula all of you learned that one, that is sigma X into P of X. Actually xi P of I, but just write sigma X into P of X. And variance of X, second formula which we are going to learn, that is expected value of X square minus square bracket E of X the whole square. So these are the two formulas which you are going to learn, and I will teach you how to solve the question by using these two formula. By will make the table and do, that is more easy part for you. Therefore, the question normally comes for the examination that how to calculate the expected value of X, otherwise the mean of X from the following probability distribution. That time we'll use this formula, that is expectation of X is equal to sigma X into P of X, and variance of X is equal to V of X is equal to E of X square minus E of X the whole square. So these are the two things. Therefore, the question for you this part can come like this way: find mean and variance. This way they can ask you the question. Other way they will ask you for 3 different parts. That also I will just tell you how to do it. Okay. Therefore, these are the 2 formulas. Formula no need to write right now. While doing the questions, we are going to be by hearted. Therefore, all of you please write question number 1 that is on the screen. Write the question number 1 on screen. The connection is okay. There is some issues coming. Question written. Question completed. Yes. Okay. Now here, see here. Question is like this way: calculate E of X and V of X. Okay. For the following probability distribution. There are 2 columns. One is X and one is P of X. P of X means this is X. X equal to 1, what is the probability? X is equal to 2, probability is 0.3. X is equal to 3, probability is 0.4. X is equal to 4, probability is 0.1. Okay. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. That means 2 plus 5. Yeah, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now, for that, for finding E of X, first make the this one table. Okay, well, 1 second, I'll just take the table. Just draw a table. Okay, now here table is gone. Therefore, first column X. Okay, that is XI. XI means we are normally write like this way. You can write, but don't follow, just write X values, and here P values. P small p probability. Okay, second line. Okay, next is X square. Third is X square. Those who are done A division, they know at how many columns are there. That is here 5 columns. Next column it is X into P. Okay. Last column it is X square P. If it is not clear, I don't know if it is small, very small, then I'll change it. Just hold all of it. I'll just change the. This is very small for you. Right. Just a hold. Make one table with 5 columns, all of it. What is the step number 1? Make a table with 5 columns. Okay. Yes. Five columns make it. And first column, you are going to write your X values. Second column, you are going to F value, sorry, not F values, P values. Third column, you are going to make it X square values, X square, okay, X square. And I'm writing again for you, just wait. and next is x into p. Okay, now see here, first x, second p, third x square, fourth column, what will write? X into p. Okay, next is x square into p. Therefore, first step, construct a table with 5 columns: x, p, x square, x into p, and x square p. Clear? Okay. Now x values, write down. X values 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now fill here 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.1. The last completed here. Done. Columns, all of you. Therefore, you are finding expectation of x and variance of x. Okay, just wait. I'll ask you the question. Okay. Now, x square. X square means x into x. What is x square? X into x, right? Yeah. That means here 1. What is 1 square? 1 into 1, 1. 2. 2 square, 2 into 2. That is 4. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. 4. That is equal to 16, right? All x square, 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Now x into p. X into p. What is the meaning here? This is your x corresponding p you are multiplying. That means here you are going to multiply with these 2 columns. First 1 into 0 0.2, that is going to be 0 0.2. Next here 0 0.2 into this one, therefore this is going to be 0 0.6. 3 into 0 0.4, you are multiplying these 2, right? That is 12. 4 into 3, 12, but point is there 1.2. This is 0 0.4. Are you getting the same column? Yes. B for C division got it. Yes, correct. Okay. Yes. Now next is x square p. See, this is the way you have done for your standard deviation. Same columns. Okay. X square p. X square p, how to? X square multiplied with p. Where is x square column? This is your x square column. Therefore, I'm going to multiply this column with this column. Correct? Therefore, step 1, we construct the table with 5 columns. Columns are x, p, x square, x, p, x square, p. Therefore, remember for examination like this way. Whenever you get a question for x and probability, they're asking you mean and variance. Otherwise, expectation of x, e of x, and v of x. What is the step number 1? Construct the table with 5 columns. Therefore, remember which are the columns comes. Therefore, write the columns as it is. Now, we are going to fill it. Okay. Now, next, x square p. 1 into 0 0.2, that is 0 0.2. 4 into 0 0.4, this is 1.2. 9 into 0 0.4, 9 3, that is 3.6. 16 into 0 0.1, 1.6. I feel all are completed this part. Okay. Now, last part for this. Yes. 2. Now, see this column. XP, you want to do the addition. X square P, you want to do the addition. Therefore, XP, once if you add, you will get sigma XP. If you add this, you will get sigma X square P. Therefore, do this addition and do this addition and tell me the answer. $2.4. Gita is telling it is 2.4. How do you add it? This is 10 plus 2, 12, 14. Right? It is 2.4. Next one, 12, 6. X square P. 6.6. Yes, that is here it will come 12 plus 6, 16, and 1 adding 6.6. Therefore, your table is completed. Now, see, examination, all statistics questions, the wherever the table is going to be constructed, therefore, you have the marks for only table. If table, you are written properly this x value, xp, x square, xp, and x square p, and sigma wherever it is necessary. Don't add all columns. Don't waste time. Here only we record two last columns. Therefore, this much it is done according. Suppose it is a 6 marks question, automatically 2 marks is going to be here. Okay. Now this is finished. Yes. Now first step finished. We construct the columns. Now you are using the formula. Okay. Now first formula. What is first one? First question. Expectation of x. Expectation of x is equal to sigma x into p. Now see, this is directly from your table. This is your answer. Therefore, what is the answer? Answer is automatically there. 2.4 is your answer. First answer is ready. Therefore, E of x is same as, please remember, examination, the same thing they can ask you like mean. For that time, you'll write mean equal to E of x equal to 2.4. The first part is finished. What is second part of the question? That is V of x. Okay. Now I'll write the formula. Then you'll see E of x square minus square bracket E of x the whole square. Okay. Now here the question is that what is this E of x square? See, E of x is sigma xp. Therefore, automatically E of x square is, you can write sigma x square p minus this bracket. Bracket is square bracket E of x the whole square. Okay. 1 second, I'll just create the space. Therefore, here this is equal to, now see, E x square p. What is this answer? It is here. Your second last comments row, you have sigma x square p. Therefore, that is 6.6 minus. What is E of x? E of x is 2.4. This bracket is already there. Bracket is already there. That is square. So this is equal to, square it and subtract from here. Your answer is ready. Finish. .84. Yes. Yes, those are YouTube. What's the answer is getting? .84 are getting. This is 6.6 minus 5.76 is equal to 0.84 is your answer. Yes. I'll do it one more question for you, and I'll show you when some another question can come along with this question. Okay. Finish. Can we move to the next question? Yes, Mansi, right answer. Yes, no, Neelam, all are right answer. Can we do next? fine. I think network slow, something I'm not getting the. Yes, okay. Next question. Please write the question. Okay, this is also same. They're given the probability distribution table, okay, of a random variable x, and they're asking you mean and variance. Okay, mean means you are finding e of x with same formula. Variance means v of x with same formula. Okay, but before that, I'll show you. There is a question can ask. See here, one. They can ask you what is the probability of 2 here. What is the probability of 2? Automatically, you can write the answer as 0.2. This question they won't ask, but I can tell you another question. See, 2, they can ask you probability of x less than or equal to 1. See, question can ask like this. So please listen. Probability of x less than or equal to 1 means here probability is given for -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct? Now probability of 1 less than or equal to 1. 1 we have 1 less than or equal to 1. Which are the numbers less than or equal to 1 here? 3 numbers, right? Which are that 3 numbers? Okay, -1, correct? -1, 0, 1. That means here this is same as probability of x is equal to -1, sector 0 and 1. Okay, therefore this answer is equal to probability of x equal to -1 plus probability of 0 plus probability of 1. Okay, that means this question answer, which is going to come like this way: p of x equal to 1, -1. What is -1? 0.1 plus p of 0, 0.25 plus p of 1, 0.25. Therefore 0.5, 0.1, the answer is equal to 0.6. This way they can ask the question, sub question. Now, got it? That means here I just showed you x equal to 2, answer is 0.2. X is equal to 3, probability 0.2. Okay. Now they're asking you x is equal to x less than or equal to 1. Equal to 1 है तो क्या answer है? 0.25. Here less than or equal to 1. Which are the values are going to come? Less than or equal to 1, equal to a, that's why 1 will come definitely. And less than, which are the values are there? 0 hai, -1 hai. Now suppose more than, suppose they ask you x greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, more x greater than or equal to 1. Which are the values come? 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come. Then you add all these 3. Okay, therefore this is a one sub question can be asked along with this expectation of x and this one. Therefore please write, this is some extra question for you. Then we'll do the second part, means main question. Okay, any doubt, please ask me. Yes, are they listen? If they can ask you the question like this, first question I just showed you, okay, there is no chance like this way direct question. Okay, what is this question? What is the probability of x equal to 2? X equal to 2 here. What is the answer? 0.2. X is equal to 3. ये तो क्या आएगा? 0.2. Correct? Means each number, what is the probability? But they can ask the question that probability of x less than or equal to 1. X values क्या है? X values are less than or equal to 1. Now check it in your table. Okay, table is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Therefore 1, which are the numbers are less than 1? 0 है, -1 है. So less than 1 means here 1 तो आएगा, equal to है, 0 will come and -1 will come. Correct? That means probability of x equal to these three values. X less than or equal to 1 and 2. Now, for example, if I'll tell you x less than or equal to 2, suppose 2, x less than or equal to 2. In that time, which are the values will come? X is equal to 2 and less than. That means here, which are the numbers will come? 2 will come, 1 will come, 0 will come, minus 1 will come. Because see the table, which are the values are less than 2, right? This is less than or equal to this. Now you clearly know because we did it the linear programming less than. This is less than. Okay. Suppose x greater than or equal to 2. Then which are the values come? Greater than 2 to aega. And more than 2. Which number? 3. These two numbers. Is it clear now? Hey, wait. Tomorrow you'll come to know this all questions. Tomorrow's revision lecture, I will tell you how the questions will come. Okay, which question subpart question number 4 mein aayega is some questions. Okay, properly I will tell you, you'll come to know that what you want to learn. Therefore, I'm just rubbing it this one. Now I just showed you a extra question here. Now we are going to make it the table. Okay, and we'll finish it up. All of your table, sorry, therefore table with how many columns? 5. Correct? Make it the 5 columns table first. For me, you can do it fast. For me, it takes time. Okay. One, two, second column, third column, four and 5. Then write which are the columns, the headings. Yes, columns are ready. This is X. This is P. This is X square. This is X into P. This is X square into P. Now write the values here: -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Yes. Values are here. What are the values? 0 0.1, 0 0.25. Next is again 0 0.25. 0 0.2, 0 0.2. Complete the values, the questions first, all the values here, finish. Okay. I think you have already completed, correct? Now, first x square, -1 square. See, any minus number, if you square it, okay, that means -1 into -1. Minus into minus, plus, therefore answer is 1. If you take any negative number, if you find the square, it is always positive. -2, 4. -3, square, 9. Okay. Therefore here, what is the answer? 1. 0 square, 0. 1, 1, 2, 4, and 9. Okay. It's now x into p. Which is that x into p? These two. X into p. Okay. That means minus into this. Minus 0 0.1. 0 into this, 0. Correct? 1 into this one, 0 0.25. 2 into 0 0.2, 0 0.4. 3 into 0 0.2, 0 0.6. Okay. Done. Yes, next x square into p. X square means here x square into p. That means these two you are going to multiply, right? Here, this is x square p. Here, what is x square? 1. 1 into this one, that is 0.1, correct? Yeah. Minus to nahi aayega. Here it is 0. 1 into this thing, that is 0.25. 4 into 2, that is 0.8. Here 9 into this one, 1.8. Yes. Now calculate here. What is your last column here? Sigma xp and sigma x square p. Yes. Now, yeah. Tell me the answer here. YouTube, those are giving answer is something different. See here, sigma xp. What is sigma xp? And sigma x square p. 1.45. Pratham is telling 1.45. What about others? 1.15. Are these telling 1 minus sign? One, do one thing. These all add. Okay. These all add and minus it. Here I'll just rub it this part. See here, 0.25, 0.4. You can do it in the calculator for 6. Just add this and 0.1 minus karo. Yes, 0.15 is the right answer, because see, here see, this is 5, 10, that is 12, this is 1.25. Minus, what is that? 0.1, right? So what will come? 1.15. The answer is 1.15. Correct answer. Use a calculator for you. Yeah. Now second part. Add this all. Tell me the answer. 5, 8, 8, 16, 2, 9. Yes. 2.95. Correct. 2.95. Completed. Now we are writing mean. What is mean? Mean equal to expectation of x, that is equal to sigma xp, that is directly from the column. What is the answer? 1.15. Practice this question, it is easy for you to get marks. Okay. Second part, variance, that is v of x. V of x, what is the formula? I'm writing the formula. E of x square minus box bracket E of x the whole square. Okay. Now this E of x square, what is the formula? Sigma x square p. I'm writing with the two different color pen because to understand that where we are writing. Okay. More easy to catch. Now this answer. Sigma x square p is from where? That is from here. 2.95 directly from the table, minus E of x, we are already know it, 1.15 a square. So पहले square करो, minus करो, that is your answer. 2.95 minus 1.3225. Subtract, and that is your answer. $1.63. Okay. $6275 will come. That is 63. Correct. Finish. These two questions you can take it as practicing question. It is on the screen, 4 and 5. Third, leave it, that won't come. You can practice these questions. Same way, make table. Step 1. What is your step 1? Construct the table with 5 column. Okay. And last में sigma xp and sigma x square p columns. Then formula it is E of x is direct from the table, and E of x square also same as sigma x square p, and you can find weight is V of x. For practice, question number 4 and question number 5. Okay. Take a screenshot. See, tomorrow 11 o'clock is the link I will share with you. I cannot change the timing. Okay, now please listen. For tomorrow's lecture, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, see, we have 4 units, right? Sorry, 5 units, right? Unit 1, 2. These are 2 max, 3, 4, 5. These are stats, right? Now here, the questions are like this way. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. All questions are compulsory. That means all units are compulsory. Now here the internal division will come. A, B, C and all. That this all details I'll tell you tomorrow. And also I'll discuss with you few questions. Like important question, it can come. Minimum guaranteed questions. Okay. Not even discussing. We will solve it. Solve how we are solving now, the same way solve along with me. Because that is going to be a practice for you for the examination. Because this is the entire class, entire students for the divisions. Okay. Therefore, please make sure you are going to attend that lecture, both the lectures. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 hours are there. Okay. Those who are in the college, sit in the library and watch. Got it? Therefore, once if you are going to attend that lecture, it is for you, you can clear that, okay, these are the questions are going to be asked. This is the way how to do it. Clear? That means for you, it is very easy that once a question paper comes, which are the questions you are going to supposed to attempt. Okay. And how many minutes for one question? Everything I will tell you. How to attempt, how to write time to time. Means one question, how many minutes to solve? 11 to Pratham, it is 11 to 1. Revision lecture. I think you don't have lectures that time, right? 9:30 finishing, if in case if it is there. And therefore, go and if you can't reach home, sit library and do it. Okay. Therefore, library just tell that if you are using the mobile phone, tell that we are watching the online lecture. Okay. But take book, notebook. Now, where you are finishing maths or stats, book hai na? Book mein just write whatever information I'm telling you and whatever questions we are solving, write it. That is going to be a practice for you for the examination. Then remaining thing you will study from the notebook. We have already completed the notebook. Okay, you are that question answer. Those are very few students are not submitted to me the notebook. That students can come even tomorrow for the assignment and notebook also. Okay, but that students are not there in the line. Fine. Therefore, please pass the message for the tomorrow revision lecture for maths. बोलो इम्पोर्टेंट लेक्चर, इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस देखो, सब लोग वही पूछते हैं ना मैडम इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. ओके, टेल दैट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Ask them to attempt the lecture. Okay, any division. I'll send the link to you tomorrow. Yeah, Pratham is so happy that because I'm going to give it what important question. Everyone wants only important question. Okay then. Very important. Yes, yes, very, 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 very important. Right? Many, very. Okay, very, very, very important questions. Okay. Therefore, without have a tension, just practice it. Go and do it. You will get a good marks. Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay then. Please, one advice, don't learn maths like reading and learning. Expectation of x. Okay, this is a formula. E of x is equal to E sigma x into PCF. V of x is equal to sigma. Don't do that. Okay. Take a piece of paper, write E of x equal to sigma x into P. Okay. Reading and learning, not, it is not allowed in maths. Okay. Like that way, just think about it. Because you never remember it. You will get confused in the time of examination. Okay. Write and learn. At least write that formulas right. Okay. Then automatically it will remember for you in the time of examination. Then you substitute it and solve it. That's all. Okay then. Yes. Have a good day for tomorrow. Sure, sure. Everyone. Okay. After that lecture, I want to make you to really relax and go and write the examination. Okay. Therefore, I also wish you having a great day. Tomorrow, we will discuss. We will just clear all your doubts and everything. Okay. See you tomorrow then. Bye. Bye, all of you. Please remember tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Bye bye. See you.